welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe right here. I'm going to be checking out the BarkBox Super Chewer I got from my dog Raven. Just came in today. We're going to see what she's got. First, we have the snacking apple and bacon dog treats right here. You want to try one, Ray? Okay. Of course you want to try one. Hold on. Ready? And of course she's going to take it off camera. And it says, drool on the floor, dogs appearing out of nowhere. It must be the snacking. Cute Halloween themed bag. Was that good? And we got another the snacking pork dog treat right here. Hope you can see that. Are you ready to try this one, Raven? Why don't you get up here? Come on, get up here. Get up here. Come on. Okay, here, you can try that. She don't want to be on camera, I guess. Okay, that's all you get right now. Then we got a beef burger chew. Real slow cooked beef. It's all natural dog treat. Hopefully you can see that. I'll give you a little piece of this, Raven, okay? You gonna get up here? Come on, get up here so everybody can see you. Come on, get down. Set. Hold on, yes. Oh, it's hard. Break your teeth. I can't get it. Ah, hold on. There you go. Is that good? Did you even chew that? That is hard. You just swallowed, didn't you? And Raven, she tears up a lot of her toys. The only toy so far she hasn't tore up is her Extreme Kong ball. So that's why I got her the Super Chewer. And she's got 3 toys in here, and we're going to check out and see what they're like. First, we have this. I have no idea. It's a Super Chewer Squeakaboo Sue. This is it right here. Hold on, Ray. Watch out. I'll let you have this as soon as I open it, okay? Ready? You like that? Yes, she does like that. Now you want some more of those snacks, don't you? I'm gonna put the snacks back in here right now, okay? Well, what else is in my BarkBox? Okay, right here. Oh, this one's heavy. I don't know what this is. This is a spooky spinning top. Spooky spinning top. They feel really hard, so I'm hoping that like she won't tear up any of her toys. Look, you got another one. You don't even know what to do. What is that? I guess you don't like that. You like that one? Yeah, she likes that one. She's taken off with it. It's got this cute Halloween themed paper in here. Pretty cool. Night of the Ghost Squirrels 2. Then right here we got Sunday the Rolly Ghost Ball. That's what this one looks like right here. I think Raven likes that top. Let's see if she gets any chewed off of it. I have to take it away from her. Look what you got there. You didn't like that? You want those treats, huh? I want those treats. Where's the... Did you already get a little piece off of that? Look, she just has that. She's already got like a little piece off of that. I don't know if you can see that right there. You want that? Dropped your ball. Here, come up here and get your ball. Come on, get your ball. I think Raven's enjoying her first bark box. Till next month. Happy Halloween, and please subscribe to my channel. See you then.